Schluter KERDI-BOARD-SN is a fully sealed prefabricated shower niche made of Schluter KERDI-BOARD. The niche can be easily installed in shower or bathtub surround applications. Let's take a look at what's included with the niche. The prefabricated niche, which is available in several sizes. A box of KERDI-BOARD-ZT washers and ZS screws for installation of the niche. There are 8 screws and washers included to accommodate all sizes of the niche offered. Finally, a KERDI-BAND frame allows for secure waterproofing for the KERDI-BOARD-SN assembly within the shower area. Here's how to install one in conjunction with the Schluter KERDI-BOARD over wall framing. Determine the desired location. Tile layout can be an important factor in determining the position of the niche. For example, the niche can be installed so that the opening lines up with the wall tile installation and provides minimal tile cuts and clean, even grout lines. Trace around the outside of the niche flange, making sure the lines are level and plumb. Cut and remove the KERDI-BOARD such that the niche will be supported on both sides by studs or other pre-constructed wall framing. Insert the niche and fasten to the studs using the included KERDI-BOARD-ZT washers and ZS screws. Fasteners are placed along the seams between the KERDI-BOARD and the niche. Fasten all corners and limit overall spacing to 12 inches on center. Seams between the KERDI-BOARD and the niche are waterproofed using the Schluter KERDI-BAND frame in conjunction with thin-set mortar. The mortar is mixed to a fairly fluid consistency, but still able to hold a notch. The Schluter KERDI trowel, which features a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch design or a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notch trowel, is used to apply the mortar. Apply a thin layer of mortar to the KERDI-BOARD with the flat side of the trowel to produce solid contact with the surface, and then comb additional mortar using the notch side of the trowel. The mortar is applied up to the niche opening. Apply the KERDI-BAND frame around the niche opening. The niche flange and KERDI-BAND frame are designed to provide the required minimum 2-inch overlap. Embed the membrane into the mortar throughout its entire surface using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall taping knife to ensure proper adhesion, and remove air pockets. Complete the waterproofing of the shower as usual. The KERDI-BOARD-SN shower niche installation is now complete, waterproof, and ready for tile. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check out our YouTube channel to view our videos.